Hi guys. Today I'll continue showing you how to upgrade the storage on your M1 machine. This time it's the MacBook Air M1 A2337. Let's check the machine's details first. It can be seen that the machine currently has 256 GB of storage. Next thing to do is to disassemble the machine and to take out the logic board. Put heat-resistant tape around the non-chips. Remove the black underfill from the non-ICs with hot air gun and glue cleaning tool. Make sure to not scrape too deep. Apply some flux around the edges of the chips and pry them out carefully. Clean the area afterwards using wick, flux and low melt solder. Next we revolder the new non-ICs by using medium temperature solder paste. Solder the chips to its corresponding slots and make sure to get them in the right orientation. Reassemble the logic board and connect the battery. Connect the machine to a host Mac and plug in the power cable. Put the MacBook into DFU mode for restore. Apple Configurator now loads the system for the Mac and restores the machine and its firmware completely. Patiently let the process finish. Once the process completed, you'll see a lock symbol. Meanwhile, there's an Apple logo on the screen, which wasn't in my case because the screen cable wasn't connected. Let me plug in the screen cable and show you the machine state. I plugged in the power cable, pushed the power button and the Mac started normally. After setting up the machine, let's check its details to verify it was applied on the same machine. Here you have the comparison from before and after. Thanks again for watching.